I hear there's some breaking news that you're putting out a brand new bullish note on Microsoft. What's changed there?
Yeah. The thing about Microsoft is that most importantly is Evercore had put out a note that this company will reach 100 billion in incremental revenue by 2027. So we wanted to look more deeply into that. We know the company well. I own the company. We agree with this note, primarily because recently Microsoft has released something called Copilot. Copilot brings generative AI features to the productivity suite. This will have an immediate impact on the enterprise budget that they're spending with Microsoft. So that's one of the biggest reasons they can reach 100 billion incremental revenue by 2027. They also have Bing. Bing only has 3% market share, but for every 1% that they gain from Google, which we think they will gain a few more percentages, they'll make another 2 billion. And then lastly, they have 15 billion in cybersecurity segment. With AI, we definitely see that this could double by 2027.